Hey everyone, it's Tom from Packager. Just wanted to have a look at our new feature, which is an Intune Policy Cloner. Basically, this is a good tool for MSPs who manage multiple Intune tenants and might want to clone a policy from one tenant to another, or if they're setting up a new tenant, it just makes it easy to be able to clone over some of those larger policies and basically speed up the deployment process. So today, I'm just going to do a bit of a demo and just show how it clones the policies. So if you take a look up here in the left-hand side, I actually have two companies connected right now. I've got a Packager account, which is our demo, and then another account here, which is we're going to be using for the test cloner. So if I select this, you can see here it's brought in some of the policies from the Intune tenant. So far at the moment, we're doing settings catalog, which brings in policies from a few different places. Anything from the settings catalog, but also some of the Defender policies as well end up in here. At the moment, it also does device configuration. I haven't got anything in there at the moment to show in this demo, but that basically covers, more of the older admin templates and things like that, not so much the settings catalog. And then we're also doing a PowerShell script, which I've just got a test Windows script in here that will show how the clone works with that. Anyway, so if we jump back over to the settings catalog, we're going to clone this block unsigned scripts. And just to show, so if we go over here into this demo tenant and we do a refresh, there is no policy in here for blocking unsigned scripts. So simply just going to click this here and select the clone button. And then from the drop down, we're going to select Packager and hit clone. And it's basically going to be doing that now. Yep, okay, that's completed. So we'll just go back over to Intune, and if we select refresh, we can see block unsigned scripts is here. And if we click into it, you can see now it's only a small policy just for demo purposes, but you can see the settings are there. You can also see it's not assigned to any groups automatically, which is good. So then you can come in here and, maybe if you want to change the policy name, if there was something unique to another client or something, or if you want to add a description in, and then you can do your assignments. So if we jump back over, we'll also do the Defender antivirus settings. So if we just come in here and click clone and select package from the drop down again and select clone, it'll go and do that. That's completed. So if we then come into, I believe, endpoint security and under antivirus, yep, there we should see policy has just been created. And yeah, so that's kind of showing how it can do, different Windows policies. It currently doesn't do any compliance policies. There's a little bit more work needed to get that going, but we'll be adding that in as well. So if we jump back over, we'll do one final test, which will do the script. So the good thing about Intune is when you upload a script, it actually takes the contents from that script and encodes it in base 64. The Gruff API can actually pull that and send it over to the other tenant. So it makes it, you don't have to manage any files or anything like that. It's all just done through the JSON API. So if we, again, select clone, come down here, actually just jump over just to show that there's nothing in there already. So if we go into scripts, platform scripts, and come down and select Packager, and then select clone. And come over and refresh, and there it is. So yeah, the other thing, other feature that we have as well is if you have sort of like a tenant where you have maybe all the larger policies or something that you're going to be cloning over, maybe like a main tenant or something that you're making most of your changes on, you can then save your policies into my templates. So if we go back to the settings catalog, we can basically save this and policy saved. And if we go into my templates, we can see it's in there now. I'd already saved it before, but you can see where it's being cloned from. And that basically means you don't have to always have the tenants connected. You can connect one main tenant, clone in the policies you like, and then remove it out whenever you like. Anyway, just wanted to show the tool off. This is pretty much useful for MSPs. The tool is actually free to use for anyone. You can just sign up with a packager account, and if you want, we've got a link to the documentation as well as now this video, and this can hopefully help if you need to clone over any large policies. All right, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.